Let's begin by pulling off a sheet of paper from a drawing book. Grab a pencil and a scale. Start off by creating 10 x 11 2 cm square boxes. By 10 x 11, I mean to say 10 set of 2 cm squares on the length and 11 set of 2 cm squares on the width. This will create a total of 110 square boxes. The game of Qwirkle requires 108 tiles, so with this we will have 2 extra tiles. Here we will cut off the extra sheet. Grab a thermocol or a cardboard and trace the sheet on it. Using a blade, cut off the traced portion of the cardboard or thermocol. If you are a kid, please take parents' help while cutting using sharp objects. Please do not try it on your own. Next step is to glue the sheet on the thermocol or cardboard. Make sure you glue the entire sheet properly. Now we will start drawing shape. You can choose any shapes you like. Here I am starting with heart. Draw 6 of hearts. Next shape is diamond. Again I will be drawing 6 of them. Likewise, you need to choose 6 shapes and you have to draw them 6 times. Cover the entire sheet. Choose 6 colors to fill the shapes. Once the coloring is done, cut the squares. We need a total of 108 tiles. Here we have 2 extra tiles which I will keep aside. Grab a bag to store these tiles. Final part is to make stands so that you can keep the tiles. To do that, take another drawing sheet, mark 18 cm length on both the sides of the sheet. Cut off this extra part of the sheet. On the longer side of the sheet, start from any side by measuring 0.5 centimeters, followed by 3 units of 3 centimeters and 3 units of 2 centimeters. Finally, finishing with 0.5 centimeters. Draw the lines and score them. Start folding the sheet backwards like how I am doing. Do the same for all the 3 units of 3 centimeters. Now we will apply glue on the 0.5 cm section. Fold this leftover part on the other side. Now we'll place this glue portion to the edge as shown. Repeat the same folding and gluing exercise for the remaining part. The stand is now ready. You will have to make minimum 2 stands and maximum 4 stands, one for each player. That's it folks, we have all that we need to play Qwirkle. So let's play. To know the rules of the game and how to play, please check the link given in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Please do support us by subscribing and following on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok.